Hello, guys. Hope you're fine. Hope you're having a lovely day. So, today I'm going to be sharing with you my pineapple, papaya, and tangerine juice. Those are our three main ingredients. And as you all know, fruits are very healthy and very beneficial to our bodies and immune system. They contain lots of vitamin C and other nutrients that you need for your body. So the main ingredients are papaya, pineapple, and the tangerines. I'm not using any sugar in this juice recipe because the pineapple has lots of sugar. Make sure you use a juicy, ripe pineapple. And for the tangerines, I used this to squeeze out the juice. In case you need this equipment, check it out down below in the description box and you get yourself one. Then blend all the fruits together to get a smooth liquid. In case you don't want to sieve the juice, it's very okay, though personally I prefer to sieve my juice. This juice recipe is very good. It's a healthy juice. Even the kids can take it. It doesn't really have lots of acid because we've killed off most of the acids with the purpose. So it's a very healthy one and you can have it any time of the day. Just make sure it is cool, and yeah, you can just place it in your freezer, cools down, and then you drink it for lunch or even for breakfast. It's a very good juice recipe. As a kid, I didn't like papaya juice, but when you add papaya with pineapples and tangerines, it gives you a very good juice combination. It kills off that aroma from the papaya, and then you get a nice, flavorful, and pleasing aroma from the rest of the fruits. Thank you guys for watching. Please try it out. It's a very good juice. Bye bye.